Hello, I'm Eric Brooks with Alpine Electronics, and if you have a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y and you like bass, Alpine has the solution for you. Let's check it out. You may have seen Alpine's plug-and-play pre-tuned sound system for the Model 3 and the Model Y Tesla, which is a fantastic sounding system, but when we talk to our consumers, a lot of them like to take a system building approach to creating their audio system in their car. So what we've now created is a full everything you need in the box subwoofer upgrade solution for the Tesla Model 3 and the Model Y. Let me tell you just a little bit about it. So number one, it comes with a great 10-inch subwoofer in a pre-made box that fits directly in the vehicle. So whether you have the Model 3 or the Model Y, if you have that factory 8-inch subwoofer, this is going to be the replacement for you. You're going to get much more output out of this sub, and it's going to give you deeper, cleaner bass than what you have from the factory. So let's talk about it. So this is our 10-inch blue carbon fiber subwoofer. It has a carbon fiber cone that's very lightweight and rigid. It can move in and out violently without distortion. It has this really special surround that keeps great control over the motor as it's moving in and out. So this thing will play for a long, long time without having any issues. It's a very reliable subwoofer. And it's in this tuned enclosure, so it's going to give you the output you're looking for versus that factory sub. It comes with an amplifier in the box. This is our KTA-200M amplifier. This is a 200-watt mono amplifier that actually has the capability of putting double the power output in bursts. So it can really drive this 10-inch woofer to the max and sound great doing it. Now, to integrate into the factory system, we have a line level converter. So what this does, it takes that information coming from the factory radio and it turns it into a usable signal that we can use with our amplifier. And what's really cool is all the interface on the factory radio still works the same. So your factory subwoofer level control and your EQ all still work just like they did before. We have all of the connectivity that you need to the vehicle and to our products. We have power and ground wire, all in these really nice harnesses with Alpine logos. We have interconnects to go from the vehicle to the line level converter, out of there into the amplifier, and then out of the amplifier into our subwoofer, all in the box. So everything comes in this kit. The install is really simple to do. We're even going to do a video to show you how to install this in your Model 3. So make sure to check that out too. So if you want great bass in your Model 3 and Model Y, without breaking the bank, and you want it to look factory but sound so much better, this is the solution for you.